This is the 17th of March, Tuesday, 2026. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We are getting out. And this rack here is for food delivery. Oh, and people actually recycle this. Alrighty, time to go down. Good morning. We are working in the morning here, aren't we? And there is a place for steam whatever bun or whatever here. And hey, should we eat here? Yeah, just order here and eat here for breakfast.
For breakfast?
Yeah, 攞個生煎包啊、小籠包啊 whatever. Do. 我看
呢個蟹黃小籠包啊，係咪？
蟹黃小籠4隻。
上海鮮，你想要咩啊？嗰啲唔可以太大嗰啲。
All right， 一个鲜肉小笼好了。
鲜肉小笼1份。
对。
在这里吃是吗？
对。
我扫您。好了，可以了。
Alrighty, that was easy. Scan and pay. And looking out at the world. And it's also standard to have chili sauce here. Pretty good chili sauce. Not too spicy. And a little bit of vinegar. And here's what the dumpling looks like. Looks pretty decent. Looks like at least it's
decent.
Handmade. Our places use this infection cabinet or pantry, and you bring your own bowl. You take your bowls and your cups and all that, and the drawers are for your spoons and your chopsticks maybe. Anyway, this is pretty standard stuff here. We ordered some soup dumplings. Looks like they're just steaming it now. Today is another rainy day, so we are headed to the Qipu market and buy clothing there, I guess. Just walk around, check it out, see who's naughty and nice. Always someone selling umbrella when it rains, and it's always 10 yuan no matter where you go. Even if you go to the tourist district, it's 10 yuan. They don't seem to up their price based on the location. This is subway. We're going to take line 10. Alrighty, we are heading to the subway. Why is this girl stopped by the police? Or did she stop to ask the police for direction? I'm not sure.
No, ask for direction.
Or she stopped by the police. She said, you cannot carry umbrella.
No. See? The police is like, oh, this is where it is.
Here you can always ask police for direction, and they're very nice about it. They will always try to tell you because they are used to people asking them for direction. All right, we are past security. We follow the signs on the floor that says line 10. And last night when we came, it was purple, this place. Today is more yellow. I wonder if it has to do with the time of day, or does it constantly switches? Maybe constantly switches. The ending flow of passengers. It never stops. Oh, exit has to be over there. At the subway, going to the left, doesn't look like it's too crowded. Maybe the rush hour is over. So we are line 10. And here comes the subway. Wow, talk about fast. And looks like there's a good crowd, but not super crowded. 2 stops. 2 stop 天同路, yeah. Do they have clothes here or do they have clothes here? It's everywhere and it's so cheap. Yep, this is ladies' heaven. Right, we are here to have 自己價唔使錢. So it's vegetable, rice, and we have one cold roll, which is stew and fried and stewed pork belly, and then a regular pork belly. And there's free pickled radish and chili here. That's mine. Alrighty. And altogether is 20 plus 20加红烧肉, and that is wow. Hey, yours is better. That looks so good. Right, we have made good progress, and we are going to eat some local food. Okay. 對唔坐呢度。Okay. So this local guy, we are going to order some food here. Done with food. Now we want to buy some fruits. We have strawberry. We have tangerine, 砂糖桔. Okay.
10元。
不能说包货，但是在我这边评的话，每年通过率还是很高的。
All right, we are buying some tangerine. So let's pay for our tangerine, which is 10 yuan. And berry farm, I can, oops. Yep. Okay. All right, done with our fruit purchase. We are going to go back and look for the subway. Finish eating, and now the place is packed and no room to sit. Wow, we are perfect timing. And now we're heading back. All right, taking the subway back again. Let's see if this is the way. Sichuan Road, I think we go that way. 天同路，一元 2 stops.
天同
Here.
路到了，可换乘12号线。出站乘客请小心车辆。
2 stops. And now this is multicolored but with a pink theme. White and dark pink and light magenta. Right, time to go up. We are there.
电源到了，请乘车乘地。
And we are going out exit E, which is a long walk away. We're going out exit 7, which is a long walk away. Not exit E, that must be another place. So let's walk. We are back and just got out the subway, and that is our hotel right there. This Sushi Light Luxury Hotel on the 4th and 5th floor of this building directly ahead, just across the intersection. I don't think we should run, but she's running anyway. Crazy. But people are just walking too. And somebody wants to eat tangerine while walking. Oh, 外灘喺嗰度。It's 5 p.m. We are on the move again, and now we are going to go to Nanjing Road, pedestrian street. Rain is kind of stopped. Actually, never started. Never really had rain. It's almost like a little light mist. So we are gonna brave it and walk there. Right, we are going to eat here, even though it's kind of early. 喺呢度食咩咧？食 Let's see what's here.
有咩咯？入
去有咩食咩啦？食少少唔使食飽嘅。食啲生煎包，我就一個生煎包，一個雲吞咁樣。OK。
你就加个水呀，弄个水呀，弄个水你卖126加20吧。但是你卖了。
冇位，好似冇位。I think so。嗰度有人坐。喺入邊啦。OK， 你坐低，我去接啦。
不是很重，我吃了，我这小朋友变成5个，不是很重。他们哎呦，好快点，就大姐赶紧和面。
有一个鲜肉生煎，还有一个虾肉馄饨。
小馄饨，是活弄的。谢谢。 因为我 个小馄饨啊。
对。
下来救人啊？啊？
他们欠你个蟹粉是吧？
对的。
那拿给你。来，谢谢，好了啊。
All right. Okay. Dandelion. Silver Winds Anima. Cheery Fuse. Silent Wind. Nice music. So we're here on this art exhibit, just walking by and saw this. Okay. Interesting. Definitely looks kind of 3D. I think it's called Pyramid. Swimming in a box. Against the current. I think it's toy. This is supposed to be Michelin, so we will see how this pan-fried bao and shrimp wonton, Shanghai style. All together, how much? I don't know. Standard, you get chili sauce and vinegar. And some are better than others, so we'll see how it goes. Well, we have arrived at the famous Nanjing Road, pedestrian street. And we're headed towards the Bund. Of course, it's all those tourist traps that is normal on a pedestrian street, but more. Not sure if we are headed to the right place, but we will see. Well, we are done. And so how was this Michelin rated, not Michelin star, just Michelin rated, Michelin rated restaurant or shop? It's, I think it's just okay. Let's go outside and check out the Micheliness of the place. We are right across from that art exhibition we were at just now. And here's the 2019, 21, 23, and 25. Oh, and 18, 20, 22, 24. So 8 years in a row is, say it's Michelin, but what Michelin? Is it Michelin rated, Michelin listed, Michelin? Definitely not Michelin star, so don't know. But it's called 大湖春生煎. 生煎 means this pan-fried thing. I think the gist is if everything is cooked to order, pan-fried and fresh and juicy, then it's good. But I don't care how good it is. But if it's fried in a big old skillet pan, about like 2-3 feet across, and you cook 300 at the same time, and you sell 200, and there's 100 sitting around, then after a little bit of time, it's gonna lose its juiciness and crunchiness, crispiness, and all that. So that becomes, it only open until 7:30. Open 7 in the morning. I bet if you come at like 7:15, 7:30, everything is great, but we probably didn't come at the right time. Probably more a breakfast place. All right, let's keep going. The architecture is interesting, certainly. This is probably an old building. It's well maintained. It's called the Metro Polo Jinjiang Hotel, and a similar building all the way down there, but it's really well maintained, lighted up and everything. A lot of famous hotel, Peace Hotel, I think is very famous. Jenny says it's very famous, and it's probably very famous because it's such a big hotel. It's a fantastic hotel on Nanjing Road, the biggest deal in Shanghai, one of the biggest cities in the world. And here you go, the Pearl Tower, and it's kind of evening now, so lights are beginning to come on, makes it really, really pretty. Big rabbit, big white rabbit. It's a Chinese ancient snack, and of course there are other snacks here, but that shop is a biggie. Oh, there's a whole night market behind, but of course nobody comes in here, or very few people come in here. And here's the rabbit store, White Rabbit store. Big rabbit gift box. Big packet of chocolate, of the candy shaped like a candy. Each one probably have like a bunch of them in there. Different flavors. Banana, mango, banana. Don't know what that one is. Coffee. White rabbit. Guai fa, I think cinnamon. Banana. And a red bean. Durian. This one is actually pretty good. But I don't like the fact that it's been packaged. So it's been done in the factory and packaged. So I'd rather go get something fresh and new. Got a lot of the Beanie Baby kind of thing, stuffed animal, lollipop, and candy. It sells different flavors. They sell it by weight, and it's $5.90 for 50 grams. And then these are the boxed candies here. Or you buy a big pack for $59. Same here, 500 grams, a pound for like $8. Not bad. Peanuts nougat. More candy. What is this? Oh, this hand lotion. If you want your hand to smell like candy, maybe. And porcelain cup. Crossing the street, Nanjing Road. This is on a Tuesday night.呢個先係南京路步行街啊。This is the Nanjing Street, Nanjing Walking Street proper. Approaching the Shanghai nightscape. All kind of things going on. Turn around and look at Nanjing Road. On a cold spring evening. Everybody's bundled up. But it's beautiful. The police, mobile police watchtower. I don't think so. And they have motorbike here, which is not ideal because some guy was blasting his horn. He's flying now. City sightseeing probably not operational anymore. I think. I don't know that. Maybe they are still operational because I see the door open, but nobody riding for now. Taking a smoke break, perhaps. Luckin Coffee, MLB, wow, Muji, Levi's, Luckin Coffee. No coffee at this hour. Spring theme, Luckin Spring. Sega? What? It's still a thing here, I guess. Little bit of flower decoration. Shonen Jump shop. A lot of anime stuff. Tamishi Nation store. And you definitely hear a lot of different languages being spoken, not just Chinese anymore. Shanghai 旗袍丝巾店. No animation there. Caricature. Photography. Oh, Shanghai photography, I guess. You can wear the 係啦，然後咧999咁啊，現價199，但係咧到時咧忽然間又變咗999㗎啦。嗰啲 wrap 啊，嗱你入去裝下啊 ，all the stuff going on. This is Nanjing Road walking street. Or the, what is that, the east end? Yeah, this is the east end of it. Shanghai 雪花糕呢度 Apple Store.好大氣。This is the Metro Line 2 and 10, the East Nanjing Road Station. Later we can just take this and go right on the street corner of our hotel. Jenny's going to go in and look at some qipao prices. Cheongsam. Whole shop, and then if you what's he doing?
装修部，装修部。
你幫佢猜小手，買金。
And then they give you a voucher or something. Don't know what that was about. 香香雞。美昌香，美珍香，hey, Singapore too. Oh wow, all this is food eating street.
你做咩有美珍香啊？
Why not? 中式糖水雞蛋仔，煎饅頭。First dish is this pea shoots. Very good. Got good cheese, got good taste. Fresh, hot, tender. 9 out of 10. And here are the fixings for the duck. Okay. We are on Nanjing Road. Tea is heated. Okay. 半只鸭。
半只鸭子。
然后一个豌豆尖有没有？
半只鸭，这个调料要单点。
调料2份。
2份哦，好
对
的。然后豌豆尖。
对，就这样。
就这样，好的。
And peanuts, they give you a little bit of, well, I assume it's freebie. Peanuts and pickled cucumber. Oh, and then the chrysanthemum tea, I believe it's free. It's free, right? And then they light it with a candle. So ended up having Peking duck tonight at this place. Now, talk about this place. This is at the end of Nanjing Road on the west side. And if you look and see, this place is packed. I mean, there's only a few space left. But what happened is it is situated in this mall called New World. And this mall is dead. I'm talking, I mean, there's a lot of shop open, night shops, got the shopkeepers in there and everything. But what happened is that there is absolutely nobody. I'm talking, I walked the whole floor. This is on the 6th floor. We took the elevator up, and on the 6th floor there is a lot of shops. I mean, a lot of shopkeepers, but no customers. So we thought, well, you know, maybe there's nobody eating either. And then we turned the corner and came into this place, and this place is absolutely packed, full of customers. So who knew? Who could have known? Anyway, eating Peking duck in Shanghai. Our duck is here, getting ready to light the flame to heat up the flame, and heat pack in the water to heat up the pancake.
介绍一下我们店是无腻招牌塔的吃法，前3片鸭皮蘸白塔。
Alright, teach you how to eat. The first corner you eat with sugar before you start wrapping. Of course, the pan is cold, so you have to wait a little bit for the pancake to heat up. So in the meantime, you can eat the duck with the skin. Oh wow, wow, it's so fast. So I guess you just wait 1 minute and it'll be ready. You can buy them. Remember, we have a hand warmer, but usually we don't put it in water. So this kind is water activated, that kind is air activated. So they buy it for that special thing. All right, let you look at the duck. Pancake and a condiment, and we are off to the races with the duck. Bon appetit. Then we step out from the super busy restaurant into the super not busy shopping center. It's all the folks here are shopkeepers, not customers. It's so sad. I mean, when we came in, it was like this. Now that we're leaving, it is the same. Wondering if any customer came in between. Another worker. Yeah, we can go down that way. I mean, not a big mall, it's a small mall, but it's in a great location, right across from Nanjing West, Nanjing Street West. So but there are no customers. Oh, everything is so empty except for this shop on this restaurant on the second floor. Let's go check it out. It's called some kind of a house. Is it called B Warehouse? And there are people waiting outside. Oh, Three Warehouse. And it's Chinese food. But why is there a line here? Is it that good? Interesting. So that and Xiao Dadong, the duck place, are the only places that seem busy. Other than that, the mall is empty. So let's see. What do they have? 溫州蘿蔔糕 Are you kidding? 蘿蔔糕雪花牛肉鮑魚炒飯 I don't know why it's so Check it out, even this Sanrio shop has, well, one person inside and two shopkeepers. One shopper and two workers. Sanrio gift shop. When's the last time you've seen that? It looks like a very new station. Look at the display up there. Wow, pretty impressive. Wow, and it's huge, and a section has been sectioned off because I think they have built it just in case the train needs to be longer. But now only about 3/4 of it is operational. Probably 1/4 of it is still not operational, ready for expansion though. And it talks about capacity right now. All the trains are basically under 5%. Only the one in the middle, 7%.
本次列车终点站贵桥路，请乘客们有序扶车。
Look at all the
门灯
information.
闪烁时，请勿上下车。
There's a lot of information for you. And here comes the train. 30 seconds and it's here. And sure enough, it's less than 5%. It tells you how many people in the train. 5%, 7%. 5% probably means only 1 or 2 people. So this one is probably about 7%. Only one stop.
大世界到了，可换乘8号线。
One stop, we are sitting down. All right, time to go down. And we are going, exiting. The map, the elevator, the escalator. I'm not walking up those steps. That's why you have an escalator. Wow. Okay, let's check out the theme color. Theme color for today looks like kind of yellowish orange. Let's get out. All done. We are going to exit 7. Looks yellow. Last night was magenta, purple. This morning was pink. Now it's yellow. We just hit it at different times. We get different color. We have service center here. Someone stationed here to help you with all your needs. City God Temple, that's where we are at the Bund. And walking out. Inside the subway again. Tonight is good weather. Nice and cool, but not wet. So you hear all kind of language around here. No longer just Chinese. Alrighty, we are back. That's it for us tonight.